you guys know this is like the 4th time I'm filming this because I cannot seem to get the height right on my stupid camera. And so, once again, I am going to start filming in front of my bookcase if I can get it right. I just need to find out the correct height of books I need because I'm kind of poor. I mean, I'm lucky I have this camera, but I don't have a tripod. I am using books as my tripod right now. Let you know. Gotta do what you gotta do. Anyway, there's that. Sorry, I put my hand on the lens. But, you know, tell me what you guys think about this. Is the lighting okay? Because I don't really like filming outside anymore now that it's starting to get colder. So, you know, I still feel like that's not high enough. One more book. We'll try one more book. Maybe this will be good. Because I just feel like it is not high enough, like you guys can't see me. But like it like cuts out this part of my head. But you guys need to tell me some of the things that I can do for YouTube, because I don't want to just sit here and rant off and make you guys be bored of me and think like, oh, she keeps talking and talking and talking and talking and talking, and you guys are probably tired of hearing me talk. You know, like I tried to do like a makeup tutorial this morning, but I can't seem to find the cord for the camcorder I used, so that won't be going up, which sucks because I actually have some cool ideas for that. But you guys need to send me some ideas on what I can do. I can do like you guys can send me questions, you can send me dares, whatever you want me to do. I'll find something to do. Just give me time, I'll eventually find something to do. And I'm gonna go try and find something to do right now. I told you, I'm going to find something to do, and I am determined to find something entertaining to do. So, we're gonna go walk outside, because look how pretty it is. It's so pretty. Random techno music running. Are you not entertained? Probably not. Look. Isabel. What? This is my stupid dog. Because everyone down south has to have a dog. That's my boyfriend's kitty cat. We're babysitting him at the moment. So my boyfriend's out of town. But, you know. I'm sorry I have made a very random video with this. I'm sorry. I'm a terrible YouTuber. This cat is Gizmo. She is an evil kitty cat. And she likes no one. Gizmo. Gizmo. You can pet her sometimes, but rarely can you ever. She's being mean to her kitten. Cheshire! Cheshire, look. It's a camera. She wants to play with someone's cat. Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna stop all of your time. I'm just gonna stop wasting all of y'all's time. Because I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea. I really have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, well, goodbye YouTube, have a nice life, I will see you guys some other day, bye. Bye.